But when I say she hasn't lifted, slipped, hey girlies, welcome back to this channel, you guys. As the title states, your girl is getting into a quick weave. Y'all know I love me a good quick weave. Klaiyi provided some bomb bundles, you guys. They sent me 4 bundles of Brazilian body wave, 224s, 226. So your girl is getting into the long lengths today. I really don't know if I want to do a middle part or if I just wanted to be a little versatile moment. So a little flip over, I'm not sure. I would love to know if there's someone watching right now that hasn't tried out a quick weave before. I just want to know. I think quick weaves are like amazing if you get it done right or if you do it right on yourself. But I just want to know if y'all have tried out quick weaves before or not. So sound off in the comment section below. Getting into the products that you need, you just need some really good bonding glue. I like to use this black and red one. I'll put it on the screen. I like to use elastic bands just so I can have my leave out secured and out the way. Like stocking caps, as well as a white tracing pencil because you want to be able to know where your leave out starts and stops. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is just obvious, like maybe a comb so you can braid your hair down properly. Some people love to use that cap shield stuff so you can have like your hair secured underneath. The way that I do like doing it, I will insert a video down below. If I was to use it again, I would use it in that specific way. I will link that video down in the description box below so you can check that video out, but I'm not doing that today. So let's go ahead and get started. I will link everything you need to know about these bundles down below. I'll give you guys my final thoughts about them towards the end of the video. For quick weaves, I do like to leave them in for about like 2 weeks just so I can get a feel of how, you know, I feel about everything. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget the thumbs up as well as subscribe. If you haven't already, join the family, and let's go ahead and get started. By the way, turn on your post notification bell because that's important so you guys are notified when I upload another video. I'm gonna quickly braid my hair up. I'm just gonna start off by leaving my hair out in the middle. A V part leave out, no matter if it's a side part or even if it's a middle part. I just like to work with a smaller section of my hair being left out so it's easier for me to blend my hair with the bundles, and also this requires less heat damage. So that's basically what we're gonna work with, is this right here. Y'all, how about I just found out that Bio Silk is not a heat protectant? Can't believe it. So I have to go back to Chi. Leave like this little piece out as well as this little piece pushed back. So those are gonna come in handy. I don't leave any edges out, but for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna leave any like edges out. Let's see if I can tell which one is 26. I think these two are 26 and this is 24. But get into it. I mentioned in my previous wig cap videos that you have to pull this bad boy all the way down. All the way down. Make sure it's stretchy and it's giving comfortable on you. Make sure it's not slipping and sliding. And you have to make sure your band is over your ears. All I have is this. So this is gonna be super simple, super easy. I'm just gonna break this up. I like to run my fingers through just to make sure all the hair is going in the same direction before I unravel the bundle. So I pin my hair up in the back, and I like to make sure I get my first track right underneath the braids just so we can ensure that this cap isn't going to roll up on us. So since this is going to be a middle part, I'm literally just going to take this all the way right here first. So this is the first piece, and we taking this all the way up to where my leave out is.
Oh my, wanting you to not be with me all night. Wanting you to not stay with me all night. I know, you know, who that person is to me. 'Cause I'm really changing. I know you're scared of dating, falling for me. Surely, you know.
Alright, you guys, so we got the first piece together. I got 4 weft pieces out of the first bundle, so keep that in mind. So this is what the back looks like.
I won't hesitate. I am for you always. You know I don't hesitate. I am for you. You make me want to do things like you, like I'm supposed to. You make me want to love you, like I'm supposed to. You make me want to love you, like I'm supposed to. Remind you. I know you're scared of dating, falling for me. Surely, I know you know me. Right here for you, always. You know I don't have a change. Right here for you, always. You know I don't have a change. Right here for you.
Alright, beautiful people, so we have made it. We got the density to where I wanted it to be. This is what the side is looking like, and this is the part that I gotta remove because this is where the band is.
I'm supposed to. You make me want to love you, like I'm supposed to. Remind you. I know you're scared of dating, falling for me. Surely, I know you know me. Right here for you, always. You know I don't have a change. Right here for you, always. You know I don't have a change. Right here for you. Hands are tied, someone's in my ear from the other side, telling me that I should pay no mind. Wanting you to not be with me all night, wanting you to not stay with me all night. I know, you know who that person is to me. 'Cause I'm really changing. you're scared of dating, falling on me. Surely, you know me. Right here for you always. You know I won't hesitate. Right here for you always. You know I never change. Right here.
Let's get into it. The curls kind of fell, you guys, because I was just doing too much in the mirror. Y'all know I left these pins on there for maybe like 10 seconds, but I am excited about that. I can be obsessed with straight hair, but as soon as I curl some hair, it's all I want to do, and it makes it so much easier for the top half of my hair, because when I do the like the bundles completely straight, sometimes I feel like I'm having to make sure like my top is perfect, and I don't want to always do that, you know what I mean? It makes me want to keep this hair in for almost like a whole month. The last quick weave that I just recently did, I'll put it in the cards right here. It's a side part, and the side part was everything. It was bomb. There was shorter lengths, so if you're looking for something like that, check that video out. But the reason why I'm excited about this one is because of how it held up during my gym antics, okay? Your girl's been in the gym like crazy, and like, I'm not gonna stop that just because I have a quick weave, but when I say she hasn't lifted, slipped, nothing, well, you know what? I'm a lie. There's like this little tiny piece right here that I put at the top. That kind of came out one day, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you, but the rest, yeah. You would think that this is a fresh quick weave. The quality of the hair, I really had to figure out about the bottom half, like I mentioned before, but it really wasn't anything crazy that I had to do to get the hair back to life. I just added the bio silk, like I said, and when you curl your hair, you really don't have to continue throwing the curls in, especially if you like your curls like this. I'm a very relaxed curl type of girl now. I just recently posted a video of me having tighter curls, so if you're interested in something more like that, I will leave it right here so you can check it out. It gives like that pinup girl kind of look to your hair, and I like to do that. But for the sake of this video, I kept the length completely all the way like straight from when or blunt from when I first initially cut the hair with you guys. Just because of the curl style that I did, I curled the hair completely under all throughout the head. If I did alternating curls, I probably would have put some layers in and felt confident about doing that. But when you have a style like this, you just kind of want to keep your hair at the same length, like, you know, more sleek and chic when you do like the tuck under style. That's my opinion. So if you don't feel the same way, it's all right. Like I said, I will link everything that you need to know about Klaiyi in the description box below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for being here always and forever. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. And some good quality, some